Little guy, you know you're not supposed to have flash photography in Monty Golf. It's against the rules. Oh, you're new here. Well, let me introduce myself then. My name's Monty. Montgomery Gator. It's a pleasure to meet you. But like I said before, there is no flash photography inside of Monty Gator Golf. So if you could please hand over that camera. Silly kid, you know flash photography don't work on me. I got these sunglasses on. It makes me look cool and it keeps the light out of my eyes when I'm performing. Say, what is your name? If you don't mind me asking. That's a good name. I like that name. It could be helped around the swamp. Only if you want to, that is. My glasses? Well, sure, you can have a few minutes with wearing them, Rockstar. Hey, I can't see. Where'd you go? You can't hide forever. I know you're in here. No, come on out, kid. We'll only try to help you. We don't want to harm you in any way possible. It's not in our programming, after all. We just want to make sure everyone here is safe. And we make sure these rules are kept too. So please, hand over that camera. Otherwise, you're going to be thrown out of the Pizzaplex for disobeying the rules. And I'm also going to need my sunglasses back. You see, it protects my eyes, so nothing like that will happen to me. Come on out, kid. We know you're in here. I don't want to tear up my own swamp to look for you. Come on. We know you're in there. I got my friend Roxy to help me find you. And she got some special eyes. She can see movement through the walls. So we know you're inside that kitchen over there. So come out, please. We don't want to throw you out, and we don't want to harm you. We just want to make sure everyone here in Monty Golf is safe. Alright, since you're going to be disobedient, we're going to have to find you, and we're going to have to kick you out of this place. I'm sorry, little rockstar, but it's going to have to happen this way. Now don't be scared when we burst through that door. This is on your own fault. So, how we gonna rock this rockstar's world? We just gonna barge through the door? Or we can just call security. I feel like that'll be an alternative way to get this kid out of here. We hear your footsteps. How'd you get out of the kitchen? Oh, you must be inside of the employees-only areas. You know, that place isn't for kids like you. It's for only me, the band, and staff. You're not allowed to be back there. know you're in there. Hey, little guy. I can see you. Get back over here. We don't want to hurt you. We're just gonna simply kick you out of Monty Golf. And you're also in a restricted area. You can't be back here. Get back here, little guy. I may look big and intimidating, but I truly trust you. I ain't here to harm you. I'm just here to kick you out of my swamp. Don't be hiding now. I can smell you. Us alligators have a very, very high sense of smell. We can smell food from miles away. Heck, we even smell food from under the water. And from my scent I'm smelling, you're really close to me right now. There you are. Dangnabbit, flash photography. I can't see. I can't see. Listen, kid. I don't want to make the gator angry, now do you? It's past the time where I am giving two hecks of a weasel. I want you out of my swamp now. And I want my sunglasses back as well. You can't keep those. Where are you? I know you're near me. Come out, wherever you are. I'm only here to protect you. I just want you out of my swamp right now. You made Monty a little bit angry. I don't like being angry with the guest. But with you being a little twerp running around my swamp, causing all sorts of mayhem, shooting that fast camera, making me blind for a second where I can't see you. After I find you, you're gonna be banned from this swamp, and you can't come back until the next day you get here. You understand me? I see you down that hallway. Come here, kid. I'm coming for you. I'm getting closer. I can hear your small little breath. Come on now. I can smell your scent. I can smell you inside that little office there. That's not safe for children. That's only for the staff. Come on now, kid. The only thing bad I'm gonna do to you is just carry you out of my swamp. And heck, I might even take a little bit of a nibble out of you. So come on out, nice and slow, so I can pick you up, take my sunglasses back, take that camera away from you, and kick you out of my swamp. And I might have to call a security bot on you to bring you to one of the security offices so we can tell your parents what you've been doing. That power is running low on that door, isn't it? Well, I believe in a matter of a few few seconds, that door's gonna open right up. But them office lights are gonna turn off as well, since you didn't like to store power. Just like I said.